Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk update Google Group settings with xFanatical Foresight. Manually updating Google Group settings one by one is time-consuming and risks inconsistencies, especially for large organizations. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. xFanatical Foresight automates bulk updates of Google Group settings in just a few clicks, ensuring efficiency, consistency, and security. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Update Group Settings Template and click on it. In the Bulk Update Group Settings page, click Copy Rule. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Update Group Settings will display. Click Next and then click Review. In the Review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Before updating the settings of Google Group from Google Admin Console, check the existing group settings. We are updating who can post settings to all managers can post, and who can contact group owners, setting to all owners can contact. Now go to the Templates page of xFanatical Foresight. Search Bulk Update Group Settings Template and click on it. Click the Download Sample CSV File button, or if you set up automation from scratch, just use the CSV file which you have created. Customize the CSV file with group emails who can post and who can contact group owners, as per your organization requirements. Go to the Rules page. Click on the Upload icon of Copy of Bulk Update Group Settings rule. Upload the CSV file, wait momentarily, and you will get a notification on the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the log screen, you can see the CSV file name you've uploaded, group email, and changed setting details. Confirm the updated group settings in Google Admin Console. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.